Exercise 2a, question number 1. A x square plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. So we can simplify this one into x square plus 2x plus x plus 2 equals 0. So x is common, x plus 2 plus 1 is common, x plus 2. From both x plus 2 is common. Then x is remaining here, plus 1 remaining here. Then answer is x plus 2 equals 0 or x plus 1 equal 0. Then x equal minus 2 or x equal minus 1. Part B, x square plus 5, x plus 4 equal 0. Then x square plus 4x plus x plus 4 equal 0. We know that when we multiply those two together, so I discussed how to do in the chapter 1. 4 times 1, when you multiply by, we need 4. When you add those two numbers, we need to get plus 5. So 1 times 4 is the best option. So from here, I can take x out, x plus 4 remaining, and plus 1 out. X plus 4 remaining equals 0. X plus 4 common from both, and x is remaining here, plus 1 remaining here, equals 0. X plus 4 equals 0, or x plus 1 equals 0. X equal minus 4 or x equal minus 1. Alright, see, x square plus 7x plus 10, x square plus 5, x plus 2x plus 10 equals 0. X common, x plus 5 out, and plus 2 out, x plus 5 remain equals 0. From here, x plus 5 common I take out, remain is x plus 2 equals 0. X plus 5 equals 0, or x plus 2 equals 0. X equal minus 5 or x equal minus 2. X square minus x I can break into minus 3x plus 2x. When you add, you get minus, and this is minus 6 equals 0. X is common from here, x minus 3 remaining, plus 2 common here, x minus 3 is remaining. From here, x minus 3 is common. I took x minus 3 out, and remaining x and plus 2 equal 0. X minus 3 equals 0, or x plus 2 equal 0. X equal 3 or x equal minus 2. X is common, x minus 3, minus 5 common, x minus 3. If you are not sure, multiply by back and see whether you can get the same answer. 5 times syx minus times plus minus 5 times 3, 15, minus times minus 15, that's fine. So then from here, x minus 3 is common. So x is remaining here, minus 5 equals 0. So x minus 3 equals 0, or x minus 5 equals 0, x equal 3, or x equal 5. X minus 4x minus 5x plus 20 equals 0. X is common, this is x squared. x minus 4 and minus 5. When I take out x minus 4 equals 0, then x minus 4 is common. Then x is remaining here, minus 5 equals 0. X minus 4 equals 0 or x minus 5 equals 0. X equal 4 or x equal 5. You can work out the other side as well. I mean, if you write x square minus 9x plus 20 equals 0 this way, still find x square minus 5x minus 4x plus 20 equals 0. Then when you look at this one, x is common, x minus 5, and minus 4 when you take out x minus 5 equals 0, and x minus 5 is common, x minus 4 remaining, and again it will from here the answer. So here a, this is here answer is a times b equals 0. Here you get b times a equals 0. It's still the same, both are same. Plus 1 I took x minus 6 equals 0. Then x minus 6 is common. Here remaining x, and here plus 1 equal 0. X minus 6 equals 0 or x plus 1 equals 0. X equals 6 or x equals minus 1. H x square minus 4x, you can write minus x plus 2x. When you add, you will get minus 12. X is common, x minus 6 plus 2 is common, x minus 6 equals 0. X minus 6 is common from both parts. X is remaining here, plus 2 is remaining here, equal 0. X minus 6 equals 0. Oh, 2 equals 0. X equals 6. So x equals minus 2. Exercise 2a, question 2. Took part A. This is something you should know. I should remind you this one. Some student, they will cut like this. Then final answer is x equal 4. Or I will write x square equal 4x. Then x square means x times x equal 4x. X equal 4. This is a wrong way of working out this. This is a quadratic equation. We should have two answers. So now we destroy one answer by doing this. X square equal 4x. So you want to bring into left side. Then this is become, now you can see x is common, x minus 4 remain, x equals 0 or x minus 4 equals 0, x equals 0 or x equals 4. Question x square equal 25x. So this is same as don't break this one, don't cut like this. So x square equal x square minus 25 x equals 0. When you take x out, x minus 25 equals 0. X equals 0 or x minus 25 equals 0. X equals 0 or x equals 25. In this question, 3x square equal 6x. So then 3x square minus 6x equals 0. Um, I can take 3 out. Then I can see x square minus 2x equal 0. Actually, I can divide by 3 from here. Then x square minus 2x equals 0. I can take x out. X minus 2 equals 0. And x equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0. X equals 0 or x equal 2. Or you can simply in here 3x square plus 6x. Yes, you can divide both sides by 3. X equal 2x. By doing this, it will not destroy uh, another answer. But if you cross out x, it is an issue. Now x square minus 2x equals 0. And then you can continue from here. In this sum, I'll divide both sides by 5. So this is going to be x square and this is going to be 6x. So x square minus 6x equal 0. Then x minus 6 equals 0. X equals 0 or x minus 6 equals 0. X equals 0 or x equals 6. In this sum, when you multiply two numbers, you want to get 6 2 times 3 6, and when you add those two together you need plus 7. 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3 equal. When you consider those two, 2x is common, x plus 3 remaining. Here plus 1, x plus 3 remaining equals 0. From here x plus 3 common, then 2 plus 1 x is remaining. X plus 3 equals 0 or 2x plus 1 equals 0. So x equal minus 3 or x equal minus half. If you say this kind of sum, x square plus, so you can see it is a multiple of 2 everything. So you can divide both sides by 2. So this is going to be 2x square plus 7x plus 3 equal 0, one we discussed before. So what I want to show you that you can simplify rather than working on this one. You can simplify and bring into a easy level, simple level. In this sum x square minus 7x minus 3. When you multiply, you want to get minus 18 minus 3 times 6. And when you add, you want to get minus 7. So what are the 18? 2, 9, 3, 3. So those two were 9 times 2. So 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. 3x is common. 2x minus 3 and plus 1 is common. 2x minus 3 equals 0. From here 2x minus 3 is common. This is 3x plus remaining. 2x minus 3 equals 0 or 3x plus 1 equals 0. So x equal 3 over 2 or x equal minus 1 over 3. 6 question number F, 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. So 6x is common, x minus 2x minus 3 and plus 1 is common, 2x minus 3 equals 0. 2x minus 3 is common, 6x plus 1, sorry, actually this is 3. So 2x minus 3, so this is 3x plus 1 equals 0. then 2x minus 3 equals 0, or 3x plus 1 equals 0, x equal 3 over 2, or x equal minus 1 over 3. When you consider those two, the 3x is common, then 2x minus 3 is remaining. Question G, in this sum, when you multiply, you need to get minus 36. So 36 to 18 to 9, 3, 3. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. What is the option? So, okay, 9 and 4. Okay, that's the option. 6x squared minus 9x plus 4x minus 6 equals 0. 3x is common. 2x minus 3 is here, and plus 2 is common. 2x minus 3 here equals 0. From both, 2x minus 3 is common. Then 3x plus 2 here. Then 2x minus 3 equals 0, or 3x plus 2 equals 0. X equal 3 over 2, or x equal minus 2 over 3. So 4 times 15, 60. So 230, 215, 3 times 5. So 2 times, 2 times, 3 times 5. Which one was 2 times 3 and 2 times 5? Yes, 6 and 10 was, yes. 4x squared minus 10x minus 6x minus 6x plus 5 equals 0. 2x is common, 2x minus 5, and something wrong. Yes, this is 15. This is 15 equals 0, then minus 3 out. 2x minus 5 equals 0, and 2x minus 5 is common. 2x and minus 3 remain equals 0. 2x minus 5 equals 0, or 2x minus 3 equals 0, 2x equal 5, or 2x equal 3, x equal 5 by 2, or x equal 3 over 2.